The 2020-21 NCAA Division I men's basketball season began on November 25, 2020 and concluded on March 14, 2021. The 2021 NCAA Division I men's basketball tournament will culminate the season and begin on March 18 and conclude on April 5, 2021. The season was initially slated to begin on November 10, 2020, but was delayed due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, which prematurely ended the previous season. 10 schools joined a new conference for the 2020-21 season, with 4 schools leaving Division II. For Division I, on January 14, 2021, the Western Athletic Conference announced the impending arrival of 5 new members: Abilene Christian, Lamar, Sam Houston State, and Stephen F. Austin, all Southland Conference members located in Texas and southern Utah from the Big Sky Conference. Original plans were for all 5 schools to join in 2022. But the entry of the Texas schools was moved forward to July 2021 when the Southland chose to expel its departing members. Southern Utah's entry remains on the original July 2022 schedule. A current WAC member, Chicago State, announced it would leave the conference after the 2021-22 season. It has yet to announce a new affiliation. On that same day, Central Arkansas Athletic Director Brad Teague told media that the school would leave the Southland for the Atlantic Sun Conference after the 2020-21 school year. The ASUN made this move official on January 29. Also announcing that Ohio Valley Conference members Eastern Kentucky and Jacksonville State would join at that time. 3 of the 4 new DI members for this season are using existing on-campus facilities. The other DI newcomer, Bellarmine, announced a multi-year deal with the Kentucky State Fair Board on November 2, 2020 to play home games at Freedom Hall, located at the Kentucky Exposition Center near Louisville Muhammad Ali International Airport. The arena had been home to Louisville for more than 50 years before that team moved to the downtown KFC Yum Center in 2010. Due to COVID-19 restrictions, Bellarmine could only seat 300 at its on-campus facility, Knights Hall, with Freedom Hall's basketball capacity of 18,252. The Knights will be able to seat 2,700. The top 25 from the AP and USA Today coaches polls. The Battle for Atlantis tournament in Nassau, Bahamas was cancelled due to logistical issues associated with COVID-19. A new tournament known as the Crossover Classic is scheduled to be held at the Sanford Pentagon in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, and had invited almost all of the teams that had originally planned to compete in the Battle for Atlantis tournament. On October 26, 2020, ESPN Events cancelled 10 early season tournaments that it organizes. It had planned to hold them at the ESPN Wide World of Sports complex in Orlando within a protected bubble, but The Athletic reported that there had been disagreements over health and COVID-19 testing protocols that had been mandated by ESPN Events, which were stricter than those being adopted by conferences. Teams listed in bold Type 1 true road games, defined as games held at an opponent's regular home court, in addition to the above listed upsets in which an unranked team defeated a ranked team. There have been 10 non-Division I teams to defeat a Division I team so far this season. Each of the 31 Division I athletic conferences that is playing in 2020-21 ends its regular season with a single elimination tournament. The team with the best regular season record in each conference is given the number 1 seed in each tournament, with tiebreakers used as needed in the case of ties for the top seeding. The winners of these tournaments receive automatic invitations to the 2021 NCAA Division I men's basketball tournament. For this list, an upset is defined as a win by a team seeded 7 or more spots below its defeated opponent. 2 schools changed coaches between their first practice and first game of the season. 1 coach resigned under pressure and 1 passed away.